लेफ्ट साइड.
थोड़ा पीछे लोग है क्या? दिस इज द एंट्रेंस. दिस इज हाउ इट लुक्स. एंड
Come back.
no, it's fine.
Not needed.
Not taking. And we are passing through the Simlipal Reservoir. That was the entrance for the reservoir, and this is. I can't show anything since it is a dense forest area.
It's a dense forest area, and we are heading towards Karanjia from here.
Yes, we have passed Jasipur. We have reached the entrance of Simlipal Reservoir, and ideally Simlipal Tiger Reservoir. And now we are heading towards
Karanjia.
Karanjia. But the dukhad ghatna here is
Yes.
I didn't get aloo chop samosa anywhere.
Unfortunate.
I miss aloo chop samosa. No worries.
This is a chicken center.
Everywhere I'm getting raw meat, huh? It's not that nothing is available. Raw meat is available everywhere. Let it be mutton or chicken.
Welcome to Mayurbhanj.
I don't know why the people here are obsessed with mutton and chicken. Mostly mutton, khasi. Though I am also one of that breed who is obsessed with khasi.
Okay.
Last time in Normandy, my mother-in-law had cooked really yummy khasi. Khasi means mutton.
Now it's evening, so we might not be able to maintain a very good speed given the visibility ahead. I think we should be able to maintain 65-70 max or 75.
Sanif, do you want to share anything about your riding experience so
Yeah,
far
it's
in
really good.
Triber?
It's very comfortable. I'm not missing my Karen's diesel.
Like if you compare the drivability in Triber and your Karens, what differences do you find?
Let's say if you're trying to commute with an average speed of, not average, somewhere near to 60, 70, 75, then you will not miss Karen's for sure. And most importantly, the only thing what is lacking in Triber is the cruise control, which is I'm missing quite a lot from my Karens. Nevertheless, it is also a comfortable vehicle, very good AC, and best part is in the full tank. This is the first time I'm observing the mileage.
I was about to ask you about this.
Yeah, like
क्योंकि सबको चाहिए.
mileage is very
कितना
important
देती
part.
है?
कितना देती है? So from the time I have refueled, I have covered almost 191 kilometers till now. Fuel consumed is 10.5 if you observe the panel over here. I'll try to toggle this. Now the average I am getting is 18.2. Average speed near to 40. And if you observe, this is the trip meter, 192. So from my full tank, I have covered almost like 200 kilometers. Still we have 590 kilometers of range left. I'm not sure whether it is a true range or not. Probably once we start utilizing, or maybe like once we are reaching nearby Puri, I'll update everyone like, is it real? Still we are not sure about it. Reason being, 200 plus 600, 800 kilometers is not expected from a Triber for sure. It is not a diesel vehicle. So yeah, let's see how it turns out to be.
So forgetting about the engine aspects of both the vehicles, since that is entirely a IMT, a diesel engine with 4 cylinders.
1.5 liter.
Yeah, 1.5 liter engine with 4 cylinders, whereas Triber is a pure petrol car with 3 cylinder,
That too naturally aspirated.
and we have a naturally aspirated engine in it.
Not even turbo.
That's fine, but irrespective of that, if it helps you to commute from point A to point B with
Comfortably.
a good mileage and it doesn't tire someone's up, then definitely it's a good car.
Correct.
And if someone is driving a long distance, sorry I said riding because I'll explain that in some other point of time.
Yeah.
Currently from riding we have shifted to driving, so yeah, comparing, I was just sharing my thought of owning 2 vehicles and the differences in the 2 vehicles. As a passenger, I find I miss the ventilated seats,
Yeah.
but the cushion, that is entire leather seat, and this is a cushion fabricated seat, and there is no air ventilation, but those are cosmic changes, I believe. And the interior in that is little lavish, and here the utility space is very lavish. We have a lot of
storage
utility
space.
storage space.
We can cover it in a separate video.
Yeah, I'll definitely show my point of view by keeping both the vehicles side by side. That will be an entire different video at once. But since I'm after a very long time, we are traveling in Triber for a very long distance. We always used to commute max to max, like
260.
Gorumasani nahi, actually Chamdadi. From Chamdadi to Nuamundi, and then from Nuamundi to Chamdadi, or from Nuamundi to Keonjhar, or from Chamdadi to Baripada. These are the only places we used to commute in Triber. This is the second time we are commuting in Triber with just 2 passengers in it, me and my husband. One is driving and one is enjoying his entertaining him, giving him company to drive well. So with 2 passengers, this is the first time, and the very first time we are traveling to Puri, which is quite a long distance, which we are going to drive at once. So, and I don't miss my car in any way because the weather is nice. I don't feel the heat and humidity. So, and the AC is very impactful. Just beneath my seat, I have a compressor.
Not compression.
Not-
it is
what?
It
What
is
is
a
it?
cooling coil.
Acha, I have
Additional
a.
cooling coil.
That's what I was thinking. My bad. I have a additional cooling coil.
So what happens here is, I'll brief you about it.
Mm-hmm.
So we have 2 cooling coils. One is for the front AC,
Mm-hmm.
and the second one, the second cooling coil is just beneath you, where exactly you are sitting at this point of time.
Correct. The coupe driver seat.
Yeah, the coupe driver seat. We have an additional cooling coil which is used as a cooling coil for the second and the third row. So the AC is chilling. Yeah, there can be I would say drawback, because of which, since it is a 1 liter engine and we have 2 cooling coils, along with that one compressor, that too a very good compressor, reason being it chills out really well. So given that, it slightly feels underpowered under AC. So if
with
you
AC, you feel the vehicle is underpowered.
Yeah, with AC, only with AC. Without AC, it is like a rocket. I should not use the term rocket, but it is very easy or comfortable to drive. Even with AC, one thing I must say, let's say you're trying to commute somewhere.
Mm.
Once you pass 60 kilometer per hour,
Mm.
you will not feel that particular lag in the power.
Mm.
So it is just like you'll have to bear some patience till the time you reach almost like 55 plus,
Mm.
and then you can feel the rush, or maybe you should not feel that it is getting tricky for me to maintain that average speed.
It is like तुम्हारा इंजन ज्यादा भूल भूल नहीं करता उसके बाद आराम से सांस लेता है
आराम से
isn't
सांस
it? Okay.
No, even I should not say आराम से सांस लेता है. Reason being RPMs are quite on the higher side because of the torque engine. It's a 1 liter engine still. They are trying to generate a lot of torque, because of which the RPMs are quite on the higher side.
Okay.
Still, I would say, given the price we are paying for the driver RXZ, with all the service packages and in fact extended warranty, we paid near to 9 lakhs. Not near to, exactly 9 lakh 10,000 along with all the accessories.
Okay, I'll explain you this. It's been 3 years so far we are owning this driver, and we have driven around 15,553 kilometers at this point of time. So definitely the kilometers are
Not that much.
not too much, since we have 2 vehicles. In that also we commute a lot, and this is a occasional commuter. So in that aspect as well, this is 15. We have crossed across 15,000 kilometers. So I remember very well. This is the top model. This is the top model RXZ, and we had purchased in year 2022 in the month of August. So I remember the check which my father-in-law signed was exactly 9.
9 lakhs? Okay.
Yeah, it
Okay.
was exact 9. And the best things which we got in that are certain accessories like the sheets which are
अरे, we got the mats free of cost, complimentary. In addition to this, we have installed quite a lot of things from the showroom itself, like claddings,
Yes.
and in fact rain visors
uh,
and few other small cosmetic changes.
cosmetic changes which protects the front and back scratches. What we call that? Chota
right.
things.
Those small bumper guard or something we call it. I don't remember the exact name, but the purpose of that is to protect the bumpers,
The
front as well as rear.
Yes, they are there just on the edges of the bumper and the back of the car.
Yeah, back bumper.
Back bumper.
So it was a very good deal, and till now we have serviced it for this will be the 3rd service, I believe. We haven't paid a single rupee
Penny.
yet, and this is also going to be a free service for us.
The third
Reason
one.
being, we have opted for the service package when we purchased this vehicle. In addition to that, we also have an extended warranty. So think about the value you are getting with that 9 lakhs.
Yes.
So in those perspective, I think this is one of the best vehicles, given that it is a proper 7-seater. And let's say if you want to use it only as a 5-seater, still you have abundant space, that backside space. It's roughly around 625 liters.
My goodness.
So which is
Dicky.
quite a lot. Boot space. So yeah, and best part over here is with respect to boot, you can literally deassemble everything in the last row. Like you can take out all the seats, everything, both the seats along with the backrest, everything. You can
Wow.
completely convert this convert this 7-seater into 5-seater and enjoy 625 liters of boot space. That's how convenient it is. Yeah, but we'll keep everyone posted about the journey. For now, this is what Triber is all about. Do you have anything to add?
I'm very hungry, so I'll look
Okay.
for food.
Okay, probably we'll search for some food.
Yeah. So far so good. There is no loss. We are happy. We are comfortable. We aren't
Yeah.
tired. Even after having an exhausted day.
Right.
And the roads are good. They are not humpy, bumpy, and dumpy.
The roads are very good.
I would say very good, but they are good. They are good. We commute very aram se. See, post I have some food and post we pass on Korangia will update something nice. Bye bye. Till then, have fun. Stay safe.